वेलकम बैक टू क्रिकेट और आज की वीडियो हम बनाएंगे सिर्फ एक बंदे पे एंड दैट मैन इज अभिषेक शर्मा. व्हाट अ गाय, व्हाट एन इनिंग्स, इम्पेकेबल हिटिंग, समथिंग वी हैवंट सीन फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. और एक तरह से मैच जैसे वो वन साइडेड लेके गया है, दैट इज जस्ट रिमार्केबल. Scoring runs at such a high rate against the bowling of Adil Rashid, against Jofra Archer, Mark Wood, इवन जेमी ओवर्टन, ब्राइडन कार्स जिन्होंने पिछले मैचेस में कितनी विकेट्स ली हैं, उसके साथ साथ लियम लिविंगस्टन को भी. दैट गाय वाज हिटिंग द बॉल ऑल ओवर द पार्क. आप अगर फ्रंट फुट की बात करें, आप अगर बैक फुट की बात करें, यू टॉक अबाउट हिटिंग स्ट्रेट डाउन द ग्राउंड इज वेल. The guy was hitting the ball everywhere and he made sure the ball was traveling all over the fence and he was scoring heaps of runs. तो मैच की अगर हम बात करते हैं, इंडिया ने पहली बैटिंग की और इंडिया 3-1 सीरीज जीत चुका था, जिसके बाद ये एक कॉन्सोलेशन मैच था. और पिछले मैच में बहुत कंट्रोवर्सी हुई थी. हर्षित राणा जो कि कंकशन सब्स्टिट्यूट आए थे कि शिवम दुबे की लाइक फॉर लाइक रिप्लेसमेंट है या नहीं, बट इन माई ओपिनियन दैट वाज अ रॉन्ग कॉल बाय द मैच ऑफिशियल्स बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट रियली एक्सपेक्ट हर्षित राणा to bat like Shivam Dube and Shivam Dube to bowl like Harshit Rana. So that was a wrong call, a bad call from the umpire's side, from as per my opinion. But again, a win is a win at the end of the day. So आज लास्ट मैच हुआ सीरीज का और इंडिया ने पहले बैटिंग करते हुए a monumental total of 247 in the Wankhede. Wankhede is known for a high scoring pitch. और Abhishek Sharma made sure that it was a high scoring innings and it was just a one man show. It was Abhishek Sharma who took the match away in the first, I would say, 6 to 8 overs of the match. और पावर प्ले में ही they scored somewhere around 95 runs. और अगर स्कोर्स कार्ड पे नज़र डालें तो संजू सैमसन ने बहुत अच्छा स्टार्ट लिया, बट अगेन फेलिंग फॉर द 5th टाइम इन द रो इन द सीरीज और सेम फैशन से आउट हुए. ही स्कोर्ड जस्ट 16. और उसके बाद अभिषेक शर्मा 135 रन्स of just 54 deliveries, जिसमें 7 चौके और 13 sixes. And those were big sixes. I'm not talking about just crossing the rope or anything. Those were proper hits. And उसके बाद तिलक वर्मा आए, उन्होंने एक अच्छा स्टार्ट लिया, 24 runs बनाए उन्होंने 15 balls पे. And then another disappointment for the captain, for the T20 captain of India, Surya Kumar Yadav, again failing, scoring just 2 runs of 3 balls. एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म सेट हो गया था. When he came in, the team was 136 for 2 in just 9 overs. He could have consumed 10 to 15 balls, taken some time on the field, on the pitch, confidence लेके और वो पे hit कर सकते थे, but no, it was his 7th consecutive failure if you include the South African series as well, and he really needs to step up now because तिलक वर्मा के शोल्डर्स पे, अभिषेक शर्मा के शोल्डर्स पे, साउथ अफ्रीका में संजू सैमसन के शोल्डर्स पे, तो he cannot really ride on these people's shoulders and ensure that they cross the line and ensure that India win the match, but he needs to step up and play some captain's knock as well. उसके बाद आप हार्दिक की consistency देख रहे हैं, so he needs to really perform and it's about time that some talks are being made about him. And you never know, Gambhir does not tolerate a captain who does not perform, and an action might be taken after giving him a 1 or 2 odd series as well. Keep in mind next year T20 World Cup bhi aa raha hai, so they want Surya Kumar Yadav to fire at all cylinders and to really be the missing piece in the jigsaw puzzle for the Indian team. उसके साथ शिवम दुबे ने फिर से पिछले मैच में आपने देखा था, ही स्कोर्ड हाफ सेंचुरी ऑन हिज कमबैक. और कल भी जो मैच हुआ, ही स्कोर्ड 30 रन्स ऑफ जस्ट 13 बॉल्स, जिसमें 3 चौके और 2 छक्के, स्ट्राइकिंग एट द स्ट्राइक रेट ऑफ 230.7. तो उन्होंने एक फिर से बहुत अच्छा मोमेंटम लेके आए. और उसके बाद फिर देयर वाज नो अदर बैट्समैन हु रियली कुड क्रॉस द डबल फिगर्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम अक्षर पटेल, बट दैट वाज ऑब्वियसली नॉट नीडेड बिकॉज अभिषेक शर्मा ने ही इतना डैमेज कर दिया था कि इट वाज difficult for England to control the damage, and the mess was created, and it was done by Abhishek Sharma in the start of the innings. Bowling figures अगर आप देखें तो सबसे अच्छी मार्क वुड ने कराई. 4 ओवरों में ही just gave away 32 runs, giving at an economy rate of 8 runs. जोफ्रा आर्चर ने 14 की इकॉनमी से, जेमी ओवर्टन 16, लियम लिविंगस्टन 14 एंड आदिल रशीद इवन 13.6 की इकॉनमी रेट से बॉलिंग कराई. उसके बाद it was a very big total, obviously chasing 248 in 20 overs in 120 balls. England batsmen really didn't have an answer to Varun Chakravarti and the spinner company along with him. It's been the case along the 5-match series, and सिवाय फिल सॉल्ट के और जेकब बेथल ने, जिन्होंने सिर्फ 10 रन्स बनाए. No one else really scored in the double figures as well. And this has been the story over the past 5 matches that we've seen between England and India. So we've seen them throw their wickets away. We've seen them just go for big boundaries and not rotating the strike. We've seen them hit the ball hard and not really playing sensibly as well. So a short selection for all the English batsmen are a question, and they really need to answer that. We've seen Brendan McCullum ने एक टेस्ट का फॉर्मेट चेंज कर दिया है. We've seen how he has really evolved Test cricket, and जब से baseball आई है वो कैसे खेलते हैं. But when it comes to implementing those things in limited overs cricket, it's a different ball game altogether, and they need to make sure that it's done in the right way. Baseball or hard hitting does not mean hitting the ball hard every time. You need to rotate strike at times, you need to find the gaps at times, but that was something that the English batsmen were missing throughout the series. But finally, Phil Salt was amongst the runs. He scored a half century, and that's about it as far as the English batting is concerned. They don't have anything else to show with regards to the scorecard. But bowling में अगर बात की जाए तो मोहम्मद शामी, he was hit all over the park in the third T20 that India played and lost. But आज उनकी वापसी हुई. He picked up 3 wickets and gave away 25 runs of just 2.3 overs. और उसके साथ साथ वरुण चक्रवर्ती, he picked up 2 wickets. Ravi Bishnoi picked a wicket as well, and Shivam Dube and Abhishek Sharma, who could not do anything wrong on that day, picked up 2 wickets apiece. So a fantastic win for Surya Kumar Yadav and company. और सूर्या कुमार यादव और गंभीर जब से साथ आए हैं, starting from the Sri Lanka series, they've just lost one match, which was the third T20 between India and England. It's a series. और उसके बाद आप देख सकते हैं कि उनकी कितनी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस जा रही है. और they've got a really good team on their hands as far as T20 is concerned. आगे T20 World Cup आ रहा है, and the only changes, to be honest, that I see is Yashasvi Jaiswal coming in and Bumrah coming in as well. और अब जो है, they've got the all important series, which is the ODI series, जिसमें we will be seeing all the stars back. We'll see Virat Kohli, we'll see Rohit Sharma back, we'll see KL Rahul, Shreyas Iyer, all these big names who have been selected for the Champions Trophy back in the squad. And पहला जो one day है, that will be played on Thursday, 6th of February, and it will be a day-night games in Nagpur starting at 1 o'clock. Or that is a game that will be very important in the context of the Champions Trophy, because every player, every team wants a good game time ahead of the Champions Trophy, and they would want to get some runs under the belt, especially Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, considering their form. Ranji Trophy में भी नहीं perform कर सके, उससे पहले BGT में we all saw what happened there as well. So they would like some runs under their belt before going to Dubai for their Champions Trophy matches. और उसके साथ साथ ट्राई सीरीज़ भी हमारी स्टार्ट होने जा रही है. ट्राई सीरीज़ विल बी स्टार्टिंग बिटवीन पाकिस्तान, South Africa and New Zealand. First match is to be played on the 8th, which will be played in Lahore. The first 2 matches will be played in Lahore, and the following 2 matches will be in Karachi, और जिसके बाद चैम्पियंस ट्रॉफी का आगाज़ होगा. सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ सीरीज़ जहाँ पे देखा जाएगा कि पाकिस्तान स्क्वाड में बाबर ओपन करेंगे, साउथ शकील ओपन करेंगे. पाकिस्तान का आपने स्क्वाड भी देखा है, एंड वी आर होपिंग टू स्टार्ट द चैम्पियंस ट्रॉफी सीरीज़ from tomorrow or the day after, where we will be discussing every squad in detail, and obviously we will be giving our predictions for the top 4 and for the Champions Trophy as well. So a lot of cricket on our hands, and a lot to talk about as well with regards to cricket and what's happening all around the world. बाकी हम आपको सारी updates लाते रहेंगे. Until then, Uzair Aman signing off.